Okay, now look at this example. We want to find the area of the region R. You can see the region R here, which is bounded between these two curves. So the area of this bounded region R uh, is calculated by the double integral of dA on R, but we need to describe the region R, then we calculate this double integral, and this dA is dx dy or dy dx, and this order of the integration depends on how we describe the region R. So look at here, this is easy. So here x is 0, here is 0, 0, so x here is 0, and this point, the intersection point of, actually you can see we have two curves here, one equals x squared, this parabola, and y equals x, this is a straight line, and the intersection point of these two is these two curves is 0, 0 and 1 and 1. So x here is 0, x here is 1. So we can say x is from 0 to 1, x is from 0 to 1, and y is from parabola, which is y equals x squared, to y equals x. So y is from lower curve x squared to upper curve x. Okay, so this is the description of region R. X between 0 and 1, and y is from the lower curve, which is y equals x squared, to upper curve, which is y equals x. So according to this description of the region R, we set up integral like this. So you agree with me, this is in the form of case 1, so the order of integration will be dy dx. So we have integral, this is from 0 to 1 for x, and integral from x squared to x, this is for y, and dA will be dy dx. It means first with respect to y, then with respect to x. Let me erase here, then we continue the calculation. Okay, so let's calculate the first integral with respect to y, right? Okay, so from 0 to 1, this is for x. Okay, the integral of dy is y, so we have integral of dy is y is from x squared to x. Okay, let me put this one inside bracket, dx. Okay, so let's continue here. So we have integral from 0 to 1. Okay, so the integral of dy is y from x. Okay, so here we have the value of this function when y equals, okay, when y equals x minus when y equals x squared. So here we have x minus x squared dx, correct? When y equals x minus when y equals x squared. So now this integral with respect to x, so integral of x is x squared divided by 2 minus integral of x squared is x3 divided by 3 from 0 to 1. Okay, let's continue here. So this equals the value of this term when x equals 1, which is 1/2 minus 1/3 minus when x is 0. When x is 0, this is completely 0. So this equals here 6, 2 times 3, this one. Okay, 3 minus, okay, 2 times 3, 3 times 2. Okay, this equals 1/6. This is the answer, and be very careful. Again, because we are calculating the area, the answer must be positive. The answer cannot be negative. This is the answer.